Learn how to crochet a lily of the valley ring in just 3 minutes. Use chenille yarn for the ring. Take 4 strands and prepare a hair elastic. Insert the hook through the elastic and pull up the blue yarn. Yarn over and pull through. Chain 1. Insert the hook again and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through both loops to make a single crochet. Continue working single crochets into the elastic ring. Make a total of 50 single crochets. After finishing the 50 single crochets, slip stitch to the first single crochet and chain 5. Slip stitch into position, yarn over, insert the hook and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops at a time to make a double crochet. Next, chain 2. Work a double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 2 again. Then crochet another double crochet into the same stitch. That completes one group. 2 double crochets in the same stitch form a group. Chain 2 and continue to crochet the next group. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch and make a double crochet. Chain 2. Work another double crochet into the same stitch. The second group is complete. Chain 2. Repeat the same method around the entire round. After finishing the last group of round 2, chain 2. Then slip stitch into the third chain. Chain 1 and pull up the loop. Cut the excess yarn, weave in the ends and switch to white yarn. Start with a slip knot. Insert the hook into any chain space. Pull up the white yarn. Chain 1 and pull the loop up slightly. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop and keep it tall. This is an unfinished half double crochet. Continue making unfinished half double crochets. Work for unfinished half double crochets in the same stitch. Once all 4 are made, yarn over and pull through all loops, then chain 1. This creates a bobble stitch. Move on to the next stitch. Again, make 4 unfinished half double crochets. Pull them up to the same height. Then yarn over, pull through all loops and chain 1. The second bobble stitch is complete. Work 1 bobble stitch in each stitch. Repeat around the round. After finishing the round, slip stitch into the first bobble stitch and tighten. Chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch. Chain 3. Single crochet into the same stitch. That completes one group. Skip 1 stitch and work into the next bobble stitch. Make a single crochet. Chain 3 and single crochet again in the same spot. The second group is complete. Skip 1 stitch and repeat this pattern around for the entire round. When you reach the last group, single crochet, chain 3 and single crochet again in the same stitch. Slip stitch to the first single crochet. Tighten and pull up the loop. Cut the excess yarn and weave in the ends. Your Lily of the Valley ring is now complete. Give it a try if you like it.